Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and I live in Georgia. So y'all probably know, especially by the title, what I'm finna talk about. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, but you know what I'm finna do? No, I'm not finna stock up on food. No, I'm not finna buy a bunch of water. No, I'm not finna buy a bunch of milk. No, I'm not finna buy cereal, snacks. No. Well, I might get some snacks because might go to the dollar store. But I'm finna get some food. Right now, I'm waiting for my car to heat up because my car is a bit old, and my mom be like, it's cold. You should really have your car heat up because it was last year. It was around Christmas time, I think it was around maybe December 22nd or something like that. Basically, randomly, my check engine light had went on, and the little time I've had this car, which I've had this car for it's been about a year now, and it'll be almost 2 years. So the check engine light has never went on. So I was like, whoa. And then literally, I think it was December. Yeah, it was December. I think it was Christmas Eve because I had to work Christmas Eve, but we closed early. Literally, it was Christmas Eve, and I think it was Christmas Eve. I don't remember. I think it was Christmas Eve before I went to work or after. Either way, the check engine light went off, and I was like, what? And I was thinking wow, it's a Christmas miracle. Oh, and mind you, wait, I don't remember the exact day. But the check engine light did go off Christmas Eve or whatever. I was like, oh, it's a Christmas miracle, even though it's not Christmas yet, but whatever. But I do remember that the check engine light went on, right? And I think it was I think it was the week before Christmas or something like that. Either way, I was getting an oil change because I needed one. And I was thinking, oh, maybe my check engine light went on because of the oil, because I need to change my oil. But come to find out, I asked them that. They said, usually the check engine light doesn't come on if you need oil unless you have low oil pressure or something like that. Anyway, the guy was like, oh, but I can do a read on your car to see why it's coming on. Basically, come to find out, they were saying, oh, and I have the paper too. They were like, oh, there's a reading because they were saying basically, I needed to change some part of my car. I forgot. But basically, it's the part that it's the O2 sensor. He was saying I need to change my O2 sensor. Basically, the O2 sensor is connected to the engine, and it stops your car from producing carbon monoxide out into the atmosphere. Basically, he was saying it's nothing to worry about. It's not a major issue, but I would need to change it soon before I get my emissions test, because if I get my emissions test and don't change it, I would fail it, because my car is basically producing a little bit of bad gas into the atmosphere. But you were saying it's not going to affect your performance on your car or whatever. So I was like, okay, cool. But then fast forward to December, the check engine light goes off, and so I'm just like, wow, it's a Christmas miracle. But then in my mind I'm thinking, should I still get my oh, there's the bus. My brother's finna come off. I'm gonna probably ask if you want to come with me. I'll probably wait. But anyway, part of me thinking do I still need to get my O2 sensor checked or what? Should I still go to a mechanic for that? But the check engine light did go off. So, I don't know. Part of me still wants to get it checked. But part of me is like, damn, what if I go to a mechanic? And what if they try to rip me off and be like, oh, your O2 sensor, oh, it still needs to be changed, bro. But it's my check engine light went off, so that means it's fine, right? Either way, maybe I should still go. Because maybe, the O2 sensor is, faulty. Maybe sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and that's why it went off. I don't know. Maybe it's God, or maybe... I don't know. But anyway, where did he not even... Austin, you scared me. Do you want to come with me? I'm finna get food. I'll unlock the door. You scared me. I look at this. I was looking this way. I'm like, where is he? And then boom, Austin pop up next. Oh, you finna put your stuff up? No. Austin scared me because I'm thinking he finna come this way because the bus is down that way. It come down this way. But he come on the other side of this. Boom. Like, I did not see him at all. Like, and I have actually recording proof that he scared me. Wow. Like, and I always be like, oh, you can't scare me. Like, you didn't scare me. But anyway. Oh, he letting the door down. He coming out. What is he doing? Anyways, yeah, I'm finna get food. That's just a little story time. I'm finna get food. It's supposed to snow tomorrow in Georgia. But we're gonna be okay, y'all. We're gonna be okay. Like, people in Georgia tend to trip and stuff like that. And I get it. We've had, like, PTSD. Like, I saw this TikTok. Did you lock the door? Did you press the button to lock the door? But, you know, people have PTSD from, like, Snowmageddon, what happened in Georgia, where it was, like, black ice and snow. People was trapped in their cars and stuff like that. I get it. But I really feel like we're going to have some snow. I believe it because there's a good chance. There's a good chance. And even though I'm still, like, I'll believe it when I see it, I don't know, I feel like we actually have a good chance tomorrow. So we'll see. I'll update y'all tomorrow. But for today, I'm just going to get food and, like, I'm just gonna, like, come back home and probably just, like, watch TV or something. Austin, aren't you out of school tomorrow? Mm-hmm. Talk to the vlog. Talk to the vlog.
Hot vlog.
Hold the camera and talk to them. Like, tell them what happened at school.
At school, they got a warning that it will snow tomorrow. And we won't be here tomorrow because the ice will be on the roads and we probably can't move and the ice will be there, we can't move.
There's gonna be ice? They said there was gonna be ice. I thought there's just gonna be snow.
It's gonna snow early Friday.
Oh, in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, so see, I work tomorrow, so hopefully, and I work in the afternoon. So if it's gonna snow in the morning, then hopefully by the time I gotta go into work,
like early in the morning, like what time I go to school.
Oh, like 7, 6 in the morning.
Mhm. But that's it, blocky, guys.
Oh. Well, anyway, y'all, we finna go and get some Japanese food. But yeah, I'll update y'all. Hi, can I get the full hibachi steak, extra spicy? And can I get chicken fried rice?
Okay.
And lastly, can I get the chicken noodle bowl with a teriyaki sauce?
Teriyaki sauce on it or on the side?
I'll have it on it.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Can I do something?
And that's it. Where'd he go?
Grab a full steak, need extra spicy, order of chicken fried rice, a chicken noodle with teriyaki on it. That's 31.62 at the window.
Thank you. Ooh, so I'm gonna take it out. Oops, I'm trying to turn on the light. Just got back, y'all. Just got back. This our food. This our food. Corn dogs. This our food, and it's wrapped tightly. You know the food is gonna be good when it's wrapped tightly like this, and it's in a smiley face bag. What are you talking about? Anyways, Austin, record me opening.
Anonymous.
Record me
Anonymous.
opening. It's covering. Here it is, y'all. Okay, I opened it. Think this is mommy. Is that? Oh, let me see. I think that's mine.
You have noodles?
This is Austin's. He got chicken.
You're supposed to give
Yours
me
is
noodles.
good. Mommy said you get chicken fried rice.
No, I don't. But mommy always gives me noodles.
This is mommy's, and it's extra spicy. She
It's
got
blurry.
The hibachi steak. What?
It's blurry.
Do I need to do it over? Anyway, y'all. Hibachi steak.
That's the end, guys. Bye.
Don't stop. Don't end the video. This is Austin's. I'm gonna take a bite of it because it looks good. Chicken fried rice.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. And then I got the chicken noodle bowl.
Yours look better.
Okay, anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the food. What did you do?
I didn't do nothing.
You zoomed in. Anyway, y'all, we're finna eat our food. So, that's basically the end of this video. But anyway, y'all, for the people that are in Georgia, it's supposed to snow tomorrow. Don't be scared, y'all. Do not be scared.
Yeah, they're called, if they be scared, they're called crybabies.
Well, you heard him. He said, if you're scared, you're gonna be called a crybaby. So, don't be scared, y'all. It's gonna be like just 3 inches of snow. If it's more, great. But also at the same time, I know how people panic. I know how people can barely drive in regular weather. So if it's snowing, if you worry, stay home. Stay home. Matter of fact, everybody stay home. So that way there's no crazy accidents and stuff. But I already know people are not gonna listen to this. And I already know people are gonna buy up a bunch of stuff at the store. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say. I'm gonna record some footage tomorrow. If it snows, I'll show y'all if it snows in my area.
But you have to work tomorrow.
Yeah, I do have to work tomorrow. But I'm still not sure. But there's a possibility I still might.
They're canceling it because of snow.
Honestly, I don't know. I might call out, to be honest. Like, even though my job isn't far, I might call out because it's crazy it's crazy to expect somebody to still work when the schools are closed, the government is closed, but you as a store are still greedy, always been greedy. Don't care about your employees and you want them to still come into work and possibly risk their lives, when they could be safe and be at home. It's not like this is New York. It's not like this is Missouri. It's not like this is a place where it always snows. This is Georgia. And Georgia is not prepared for snow. So that's a bigger crazy thing. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.
Hey.
What?
Classmates, if you're watching this video, it's not going to be a whole lot of snow with a play you get to play in it. So just saying, don't be dumb, kids. Listen to your mamas and school. Bye.
Anyway, y'all, I'll see you on the next video.